Fly is stealing items.
Nope.
Hit
I'm
and
looking
run.
at the food.
Is he in a book? Yeah, I need to find it.
Oh
So,
god,
oh my
he's
god.
chasing me down.
Did you see what? Did you see Orange?
I haven't seen you. I've been more focused on trying to run from the guy trying to murder me.
Who's that?
Hypercube.
Oh, you should go kiss him.
Oh!
Bruh. I have to stop bullying people.
He was chasing me down and trying to kill me.
I know he started it. It's fine.
Your stuff's up here. Come grab it. Some of it landed. Some of it went off the edge.
Oh. No. Bro. Fanta.
What?
When are you guys gonna unexile me?
You're not. Never. Just never. It's not happening.
But it's clearly your fault.
I'm gonna start building a new house since I have nowhere to live right now.
What happened to the courthouse?
What do you mean what happened to it?
There's like a missing pillar.
No idea
I'm
why.
out of food. Once again.
Well, I don't have any food. I have literally no food on me.
Yo, what's up, Fly?
What's up?
Oh, I see you're using SMP, but how do you have full diamond armor?
I mean, I just got here with a spacecraft. Obviously, I have some armor.
I mean, that's cool. Anyways, me and Lario are forming a plan called Project Destruction, and we need your help.
Okay.
The consequences of this action is we're gonna blow up this whole town. Everything.
Whoa. I did not come here to cause violence, okay?
We need to. It's for justice.
Justice for...
We gotta stop Fanta Kid.
Okay. I didn't get much in your note. Explain.
Listen. So, me and Fanta Kid have drama, and he's framing me, and he exiled me. Right? So, we need to stop this. So, the only way they're gonna stop this and stop Juke from being president, if we blow up this town, there will be a riot that will overtake Juke, so we can become, like, we presidents, everything goes back to normal. But me and Lauren are not enough players, so we need you to help.
Well, I guess I can use my expertise to help.
Alright, thanks. I'll be back with you soon. I gotta go further find you.
I just need boots. Can you spare me 4 diamonds?
I don't have any diamonds on me.
Damn. I just literally need boots. Because this is pretty good.
Puss without boots.
But yeah, I'm pretty Sigma chilling right now, I won't lie. Just need 4 diamonds. Hi, buddy.
He just runs by.
Bro was thinking about hitting me. I know for a fact.
He was probably thinking about it.
Alright, no one's gonna be hitting me after this, bro. No one's gonna be able to hit me, bro. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Let's go. Why is that? Oh yeah, come here. Come here. How has no one noticed this yet? The sign.
For
No one's
mermaid.
noticed yet.
Hey, Fly.
Yeah.
Do you like this door here?
Oh crap! I just got clipped.
I got a picture.
No. Wait. Can you spell 4 diamonds by any chance? Huh.
Hey, Fly, come back here real
Yeah?
quick.
We'll do in a minute.
So you see this security only door?
Yeah. I know. I've seen. I've seen.
Best room in MCL history
Best room.
Here. Best room.
No. You know what? I hate this. I hate this so much. I'm gonna mine it. So then you can like. I want like a gate here, so you can go around. Yeah.
Look like I was flying.
No.
Hey, Fly. Wait, Fly,
cube.
look.
Yeah. What? You can tab glitch in Minecraft?
Maybe.
No way. How do you even do? Oh my god, am I flying right now?
Yeah.
No way. You can tab glitch in Minecraft?
Yeah.
Wild.
Hey, Fly, come look at this. Where you just were?
There we go, chat.
Come look where you just were.
Yep.
Look in there. Stay there.
Oh no, how will I ever?
How will he
Ever
ever
get-
get out?
How will I ever get out?
How will he ever escape? He goes through the back door. Imagine.
How is that?
Imagine.
I'm looking pretty dripped out right now. Just need some diamond boots. Hardy. Where's the cave? Where's the cave, by the way? Where's like the global cave? Show me it.
I'm pretty sure it's in this direction.
Casually going through the restaurant.
Yep.
Oh, damn. I was gonna go for a skinny dip. Hypercube. Let's go.
And
Keep
then
over
I'm
there.
pretty sure it's right over here.
I see. Jute mines. Yeah, let's go.
Named it after himself.
Of course he did. Hell is this? Okay, interesting. So, guessing the mines go. These are mines. Where do I even go?
Exactly.
Oh my god, that's a. Why did he dig straight down? Jesus, I nearly just walked into a hole. We're all deaf sometimes. So the jute mines suck, bro. And then they walked into a death trap.
I didn't hear no L in that statement there, man.
I did say hole. Hole. Ella. La skibbity ella. I thought. Right, let me just let me create stairs real quick.
Bro, have you seen what my previous house looked like? It looked horrible.
Was it?
It really was. It looked horrible.
That's still like Jesus Christ. Whoever made this is evil. There's nothing even down here.
Uh-huh.
This doesn't even go to diamond level. What the hell?
Yep.
Yeah, ban this kid off the server. That's it.
Unfortunately, he's lore relevant, so we can't.
Of course.
We'd have to write him out of the plot.
Please do that immediately. Well, I guess I'm gonna get out of these mines because it's literally useless.
My house is going to be near the lighthouse.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot that. I'm gonna need to make myself a house. Yep, Fly's Castle coming soon. Official. What is Hypercube doing over there? Walking across that bridge. Whose house is this?
What do you mean, whose house is this? Where are you at?
What the hell? Why is there like President Jute's vacation home?
Yeah.
Why is it so small?
For some reason, I just don't want to touch any of the trees inside the town.
Same.
Like, I have to like run across the entire town to get the type of tree I want for the house. Hyperlifting.
Well, I just found a crazy cave or something right here.
Oh my
What
God.
is this? This is sick. I'm Sigma.
The freaking Fortnite build we had near spawn.
I know, I saw. What? I could genuinely live here. This is a pollinated bee. So sick. I can live here.
Why is it better if it's pollinated?
That's not. No, I never said anything about that. I don't know what you mean. You're just putting words in my mouth.
Well, why is it better
Oh,
that
buddy.
way?
No.
Why is it better that way, Fly?
No, it's not better that way.
Why is it better that way?
It's not. It's the same way as it being unpollinated and pollinated, okay? It doesn't matter.
Why'd you bring
Doesn't change
it up?
anything. It's just because it was pollinated. Bro, I cannot hit this pig.
Bro, just hit the pig. It's that simple. Just hit it.
I'm gonna hit you, Orange.
If only you could. Bro's gonna run out of
What is this
sprint.
random structure here? The hell?
What random structure?
Oh, I forgot I was.
Oh, I think I'm near you.
turned off my
I think I'm
screenshot.
near you. I'm on top of the hill.
What hill?
The one that you're near. Oh wait, no, that's Hyper.
What?
I didn't know he logged back in. Where are you?
Where? Look. Oh shit. Like a random staircase and like a crazy big cave. It looks so sick. This is a huge island. We could colonize this whole island, bruh. Like how the British colonized USA.
Well, yeah, but then it might end up how the it might end up ending the same way.
True. So true.
I wouldn't want to risk it. It might end up the same way.
There's a zombie villager down there. I'm OG Clutch. I'm a Sigma. Oops.
Fences are so goofy to create in this game.
Oh! Creeper!
Aw, man.
Why do axes do so much damage?
Because yes.
True. Yeah, I'm gonna go back inside the city, bruh. Too dangerous out here. Lava pool. Where am I? Oh, that's where I am. The Fortnite builds.
Oh, you're at the Fortnite build?
Yep.
It really just looks like a 5-year-old built isn't it?
Yeah, it really does.
but it's a piece of history, so we gotta leave it there.
Mining it down right now.
No. I'm pretty sure I mostly built that in the fight. I'm pretty sure
What
I
was the
mostly
fight
built
about?
that. It was Majeed and me. Majeed looked at Turnos and saw I had his discs in my inventory, so they tried 1v2ing me.
Oh, I can imagine how that went.
Majeed ended up dying, and Jute ran away.
I see. Beautiful town.
It is.
Why is this thing missing? Oh, spider. Let me protect you, my good sir. Oh, speaking. Yeah, I forgot about it. I need to patch that. Actually, wait. What? Why is this so perfectly mined out? Yeah, I might actually live here.
Live where?
Kind of skibbity sigma this is. Won't even lie. It's like, isn't it so perfectly mined out? Are you seeing this?
I don't know where you are.
What is this? Crap. I guess I'm gonna fix that real quick. Boom, boom.
Wah, wah.
There we go. Made a little staircase here. Mine this out real quick. Oh. Oop. This could be like a little place. I need a sign. Let me craft a sign. How do you craft a sign again?
A
Oh, yeah.
stick and 6 wood, I think.
Apparently I can't find it within the building place, which is really annoying. Might be dumb. Nah, it's one stick. Yeah. Fly's work in progress shack. Why is there a thing missing here? No clue. Who knows? Talking about that missing thing, just fixed it. Jude's whole inn looks kind of cool. It's nice. Remo 2. Remo 3. Remo 4. Oh man, you get such a good like view of Big Ben from Remo 4. No, what a good view. Jesus, that's a good view. Big. The hell was that? Why is there a stone pillar above, like, on top of the White House? Like, it's not even cobblestone, it's normal stone.
I
There's
don't
like a
know.
banner up
They
there.
put it there to put a banner up there. I never really liked it
Yeah.
either.
It's kind of goofy.
It does.
They could have at least used like fences. Would have been would have looked better. Hell, can barely see it anyways. It's so goofy. Why is there a chest? I don't know.
No
Who
idea.
knows? You know what? I'm gonna go to the restaurant, bro. The restaurant actually kind of looks sick. I know I get down there normally.
It's Cool's. I don't think.
My fat ass is gonna go eat, bro.
I don't think Cool built it, but I think he owns it.
I see. Going down there. How do I go to that legitimately? Southside Beach. I see. So this is the entrance of it, I'm guessing. Yep. Think so. Yep, looks like it. The kitchen staff only. Jesus Christ, yep. It's a kitchen, alright. Yo! Can anyone serve me, bruh?
Cool owns it, so and he's not online.
This is sick. This restaurant's so nice. Kind of beautiful. I wouldn't mind eating out here with someone called Orange Fanta Kid. Who's really hot. I wouldn't mind that.
Mhm.
Did you just say
Yeah.
Lol. Who is this over here?
Me.
Oh my god, it is you. What are you doing? Is this your house?
What I'm building of it. Yeah, I'm trying to build like a normal cabin up here. The staircase isn't quite working out right now.
Can tell. Better leave this like part of the beach like
Yeah. I'm trying to
no.
like not interfere with the main beaches like as much as possible.
President's private beach. Jesus Christ! Of course he has a private beach. Looks sick. Of course he is. Of course he has a private beach. What a nerd. Why is that random glowstone here? Why is there TNT here?
There's TNT.
Yes. Look at my screen share.
I can just
Underwater.
go over there, you know.
I'm just gonna take that. I'll take that for no reason at all. I have a piece of TNT. Haha.
Are you on Jute's beach?
Yep.
Where did you find that stuff?
Just like in the water.
in the water?
Yeah, I found TNT and glowstone in the water.
Why is this place all like exploded?
That's normal? Okay. What do you mean exploded? Where?
Well, the place where you just got all that from, like this is exploded. I can tell.
I know, that's like, it's weird.
I'm going back to build more of my house.
Jesus
Rain with
Christ,
the shaders
mate.
on actually looks sick.
Oh, I wish I can do it,
Well,
but I
think
don't know
this
how
video.
to. I know. I already have it installed, but I might have to update it to the current version. Skeleton riding a spider. Isn't that rare?
That's a spider jockey. Yeah, that's kind of rare.
Yo, please do not shoot arrows at me. I'm not playing no games. I don't want to kill you, fam.
Yeah, you are. It's called Minecraft.
Ah, you know what? I'm done with you, bro. Come here. Easy. Oh, I got a creeper. Oh, man. Oh my god, I just saw lightning. Where does this go? Jesus Christ! Look at my screen share if you have the chance. I got the 10 FPS. Please do not molest me, spiders. I did not consent. So this island is massive. Jesus Christ.
It really is.
Oops. I cannot see. Why does it have to be in the ocean, bruh? Why are you here? So, at 9-9. So, like, right here, bruh. Except I suck. Shouldn't it be right here? Am I dumb? Am I trash? Why did Minecraft do that, bruh? Bro, I'm sorry, move.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yo. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. Oh.
Come on.
What, me?
No, these phantoms are so annoying. They're swarming my house right now.
That's wild.
Yeah, phantom give me muted guys. Oh,
So what is gonna actually happen with this space? Is there any info on what's gonna happen to it?
nothing that I know
Um,
of.
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Nah, they're gonna
Quite a
put
big
sub-
McDonald's.
No, they're gonna put a
Lots of them.
no, they're gonna put a subway on each side of the mountain.
For real. Should I make a Shake Shack, chat?
I meant the restaurant, not an actual subway. but I think both fit. They both fit for the job.
They do both fit. Where should my house be?
I mean, do you want to come see what I've done with my house so far?
Sure, Bobby. Let me come.
I'm gonna commit some crimes real quick and steal a bed from this hotel.
Okay.
Instead of stealing the soap
I'm reporting.
Instead of stealing the soap from the hotel room, I'm just stealing the whole bed. Nah, they taking it to the extreme here, boys. We're taking the entire bed. Where are you? Oh yeah!
No! No! Nah, bro wanted it. He doesn't even care about being forced. He wanted it. Oh. Oh, my fault.
You tried.
Can I have those signs?
No!
Why?
You make your own signs.
Please, my signs. Those were mine. I made those. Oh, please.
Don't put them in places where people are gonna take them.
Ah, I thought you would keep them up because they were quite hot.
Oh.
Oh. I might try for Burger King. I might try for Burger King, but I gotta. Ew, these banners are awfully distributed. So are these lanterns. Ew. I might try to again when I get it. My life will burn again when I get it. I'm gonna just burn again when I get up. I'm gonna drive through a Burger King. Can I get a so true. Why can't I craft torches? Where is it? If I want to make a castle, I probably should do it at Welded Mountain.
I think you should too.
Hmm?
I think you should too.
Yeah. Quite a big
Do
space.
you want to check out my house?
Sure.
I mean, other than my other than like glass panes, which I'll probably put on windows. House int. These are things that I'm probably gonna make real quick. My house is pretty much done.
What is Hypercube doing? I see him every now and then. I just see him like running around somewhere. Like, bro's on a secret side mission and I have no clue what it is. Real. Has bro gotten so bored that he's just running around town? Fanta's house of one window on the side.
Nah, cause I put there's places where I'm gonna put windows all around, but the reason I didn't have window on this side was because I have a chest here. I put a double chest.
Your house is very small.
Yeah, it wasn't meant to be big. That's the exact problem I had with my previous house. It was like there was a ton of open space. I never even finished the floor before it got burned down.
Oh.
In episode like 5, 4, 5, I think 5, I'd like to say. They burned it down in the first 10 seconds of the episode.
Okay, Hypercube, that's wild.
What? What happened?
No. Where is Hypercube? Where is Hypercube? Go to your house, Hypercube. Go to your house. What? Come here. Bro's got a whole escape pod. Bro, what? Bro's ready to escape from violence. What is this, bruh? Bro is ready. Are you for real? Did you actually not make this? It's the same texture and everything as your house, though.
Oh, me and
Like,
Cool made that, and he made me help him with the redstone.
what is this for? Bro's got a whole secret hatch. That's kind of sick.
It is. The redstone is very goofy if you actually went to look at it.
Bro, let's go.
Oh, I didn't do it. I guess he decorated it after I left.
Ah, that's fair.
Like this used to be all stone.
Oh yeah. Welcome to my mini shack. For now,
Where?
where I live for now.
Oh. Yeah, I saw this earlier, but I didn't know what it was for.
It's just just where I live for a little bit.
I think my house looks
Whoa.
really good for what it is.
Yeah, it's pretty trash.
No, I
I'm
like it.
playing.
I like it.
I'm playing.
Last time I made a house, it was like really big, and I just had a ton of open space, but did nothing with it.
Does anyone have wool by any chance? I need 3 wool.
I have like 2 in my chest,
I'll take that.
and they're both different colors. Oh wait,
Oh.
I grabbed the wrong. I accidentally grabbed the stone instead of the gray wool out of the chest.
Why are you giving me gray? I don't want a gray bed. Ew.
I don't. All right. Well, then in that case, I only have 1 wool for you.
What does it look like?
It's white.
It's fine. I got a black bed.
All right.
Black bed acquired. Very black.
I like how I built it like hanging off the side of the mountain. Oh, yeah. Like I have it built off of the hillside.
I love how I just have a... Nah, one sec. Let me make this sign a little bit cooler.
Alright, I think we should end the episode there.
Wait, what the? You've been recording this entire time?
Yeah?
Didn't even realize. It's gonna be so boring.
I'll cut it up so it's some good parts. It's just a normal survival episode.
It's literally just me and you talking. And you? So true, so real, factual informations.
I like my house.
Also, why is there a red carpet leading up to Big Ben, but it's not evenly distributed?
I don't know.
What's up with that?
I don't know.
What? It looks like someone's bled all over the place, bruh. Who had an accident here, bruh? Who had a battle here?
That No, actually, there was a battle really close to this.
Of course there was.
Alright, so, come back to the carpet.
Coming.
It was, over here, before all these trees were here, me and Impact had a huge fight, and, like, right here.
No way.
Yeah.
I bet it went down like this. Basically, right? I'm playing.
All this grass got in the way while we were fighting. If you look in the actual episode, you could see, like, the fly, look at this. I'd be, like, trying to hit him, and I accidentally get a good crit, but it'd hit the grass instead. I'd, like, get a... Fly, I'd get a really
Bro's
good...
pulling me in.
Fly, look, I'd get a really good crit on him like this, but I accidentally hit the grass, so we... instead of him. And, like, we both, like, hit the grass, like, 4 times in the fight. The fight was, like...
Wild.
The fight itself was like 25, 30 seconds, and we managed to hit the grass like 4 times.
Crazy.
The whole clip.
MLG clutch of the courthouse! Oh crap.
That's the White House, not the courthouse.
Oops, same thing.
Alright, I'm gonna end the episode here.
Okay.